to set up a screen recording and then put more than one screen recording together. First, you would open up QuickTime Player. Once it is opened, you'll have to click on File and New Screen Recording. From there, you'll need to click the little red play button and start recording your clips. It will record whatever is in the screen. You could either select the entire screen or just highlight a portion of your screen for the QuickTime to record. Then it'll record both audio and whatever's going on your computer at that time. So I have two clips that I'm going to put together right now. What I have done is I've gone over questions 1 through 3 of the review guide and questions 4 through 5 of the review guide in this video. The reason why I segmented it up is because it's easier to treat a couple of questions at a time than say 36 questions at a time. That's a little bit hard to focus on. So let's say I want to take these two files and merge them together. I just open the first one, then go ahead and grab the second file, drag and drop it on the end. And what I just did is I tied those two videos together. If I needed to shorten one of them, all I need to do is move to the video that I need to shorten, go ahead and click on Edit and Trim, and I could trim and shorten the ending, or I could shorten the beginning. And you can see it'll move wherever I am. I'm going to cancel that because I don't need to do that for mine, but that's how you could shorten a particular section. When you are done and you're satisfied with your video, what you should do, File, Export, and then what you can do from here is to go ahead and give it a new file name. It will be compiled video. Then there's an export button here. Click export. It'll take a few seconds. And now I have my compiled video right here. If I wanted to open and play that, this is what I just created. Go ahead and play it. Question number 4. Describe the term electron configuration. Sorry. That wasn't my compiled video. This is my compiled video. So now I'll just go ahead and play it. Question 1. In science, we make observations, ask questions, design procedures, take measurements, and draw conclusions. In order for something to be classified as science, there must be a way to gather evidence in support and against the idea. Write one scientific question and one non-scientific question. A scientific question example is, does studying improve test scores? The reason why this is scientific is there is a way to test to get evidence to support or reject that idea. We could have two different groups of students, allow them to study one group, don't allow them to study in another group, give them a test, and analyze performance, gathering data to support or reject that idea. Did God create the earth? There's no way to gather evidence there to support or reject that statement. It is a philosophical question, so it doesn't belong in the realm of science. Question number 2. Where does the scientific method begin? The scientific method begins with the act of observation. It does not begin with a question. Question number 3. Write a purpose statement that would best and most directly relate to the scientific question. Does existence of shade significantly affect ground temperature? To investigate the effects of shade on ground temperature, as simple as that, quick to the point. Let's look at question number 4. Describe the term electron configuration. An electron configuration shows the arrangement of electrons around the nucleus of your atom. Question 5. In electron configurations, the arrangement of electrons is dictated by the repulsion of one electron from every other electron. The root of this is due to the like charges repelling one another. Describe electrons in terms of size and behavior of electrons. Electrons are extremely small, existing in the electron cloud, and are in constant random motion. J.J. Thomson was the one that discovered these electrons. He found out that they were extremely small and they had that negative charge. So as you can see, I spliced the two videos together. They seem to come together pretty well, and you can actually even tell where the splice existed. So hopefully this is helpful. If you have any questions, email me and I'll try to solve them. That's all.